Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson. Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS. God bless. 73.
In a minute, we are about to begin the evening net of DX1 PRS, all stations. Please stand by. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. Good evening, fellow hams. Mayong gabi, Pilipinas. It is the first day of December 2020, and it's a Tuesday. Welcome to the evening net of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated, or DX1 PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association, and duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunications Commission. The X1 PRS conducts its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. The net control for tonight is 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy. I am transmitting from Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna, and I am working with Yaesu FTM 7250D hook up to Comet GP-1 antenna 60 feet from the ground. To all stations, please zero bit your transceivers to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall start the net by calling on any emergency priority medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the X1 PRS and all stations will be standing by. Second call to any emergency priority or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the X1 PRS and all stations will be standing by. In a relay for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for DX1 PRS, standing by. Any announcement from our club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs, please call in now. The X1 PRS will be listening. Second call to any announcement from our club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs, please call in now. The X1 PRS will be listening. Nothing heard. Please be advised that this is a supervised net, therefore all calls must pass through the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and the suffix. We shall now begin the roll call proper by calling on any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for DX1 PRS will be listening.
Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform.
Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie.
4 Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima.
Pakibalik po yung, I copy the station of D1 Alpha Zulu Sierra and for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima. Yung may tango po, pakibalik.
Check.
Yung station na may tango, pakibalik po.
Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie.
Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Charlie, copy that, please stand by. Yung may tango kanina, pakibalik po. Okay, siguro baka nawala lang. Anyway, copy the 3 stations. Let's begin with calling the station of DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Tito Boy, magandang gabi. Halina sa ugnayan ng DX1 Perez. Tuloy na po kayo.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at sa lahat. Nagpapatala po, buhabati ng tiklis-tiklis na 73 sa inyo at sa lahat. Nada traffic, Karyu, Kerex, Kerel. Salamat po.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Tito Boy, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo milibukas ang inyong himpilan. DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra ay nakatala na po at libre na.
Sige po, salamat po.
Next station for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima. Tito Elmore, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Likewise, Tito Root Boy, good evening. For G1PUR, for DX1PRS. You are coming in 5x9 in Muntinlupa. Just joining and supporting the net. This is for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima. My name is Elmore. And no further traffic, 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Elmore. Likewise, 59 here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you, Tito Elmore, for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima is now lag and clear. Next station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie. Tito Mark, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Yes, good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening sa lahat. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, supporting internet. No other traffic, 73. Ingat-ingat po.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Tito Mark, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo milibukas ang inyong himpilan. Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Charlie ay nakatala na po at libre na. Any more stations?
Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform.
Copy, Fortel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. Any more stations? Please stand by. D1 Sugar Mike Quebec. D1 Sugar Mike Quebec. Copy that, Tito Romy. Please stand by. Any more stations?
DU1 November Tango Zulu.
Copy, D1 November Tango Zulu. Tito Bani, please stand by. Yung nakasabay po, pakibalik. Yung may 4 Hotel 1, pakibalik po. Yung my 4 Hotel 1, please go ahead. Okay, pamaya na lang, balik na lang. I think naka-portable. Okay, calling the station of Portal 1 Lima Charlie Uniform from the group on one of the net control stations. Tito Nelson, good evening. Welcome to our group's net.
Magandang gabi, Tito Root Boy. Magandang gabi sa lahat na nakantabay dyan. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo or DX1 PRS. Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. Supporting our evening net announcement. Live po ulit tayo sa Facebook at 73.
TV1 Sierra Victor Sierra.
DB1, Sierra Victor Sierra, Tito Jun, please stand by. Ayun, announcement, ulitin ko lang, we are live on Facebook, so pwede kayo mag-check-in doon sa Facebook at i-relay na lang dito sa Net Control Stations. 73, keep safe and mabay, Tito Nelson, and thank you for always supporting our GroupsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Fortel 1, Lima Charlie uniform is now loud and clear. Next station, DU1, Sugar Mike, Quebec. Tito Romy, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PearsNet.
Hi, good evening, Root Boy. Good evening all around. Checking into the DX1 PRS at no more traffic. 73, mabuhay DX1 PRS. Salamat.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Romy. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1, Sugar Mike, Quebec is now loud and clear. Next station, DU1, November Tango Zulu, Tito Bani, good evening, welcome to DX1 PearsNet.
Good evening, Root Boy. Good evening to everyone. Joining the net, 73, keep safe. You are you.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Bani. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1, November Tango Zulu is now loud and clear. Next station, DV1, Sierra Victor Sierra from the group, and the head of Technical Affairs Committee of the group, Kuyang Jun, good evening. Welcome to our GroupsNet.
Yeah, good evening for G1, Papa Uniform Romeo. Nabulol pa. Ayun. Tito Root Boy, gandang gabi sa lahat ng nakantabay. Likewise, kay Nelson, 73. Good job, Nelson. Yun. DV1, Sierra Victor Sierra, supporting the net of our group. DX1 PRS 73, no more traffic, and good evening.
Agree, good job, Tito Nelson. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Jun. Thank you for always supporting our GroupsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1, Sierra Victor Sierra is now loud and clear. SIGINET, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
For Golf 1 Alpha November India.
DU1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot.
Two stations, for Golf 1 Alpha November India and DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, please stand by. Any more stations?
DU1, Delta Lima X3. Delta Sulu 1 Delta.
Okay, copy additional station, DV1 Delta Lima X-ray and Delta Zulu 1 Delta. Any more stations? Calling the station, for Golf 1 Alpha November India. Tito Gani, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PearsNet.
Likewise, good evening, Tito Root Boy. This is for Golf 1 Alpha November India, transmitting from Jamie Cavite, supporting the evening net. No traffic, 73, mabuhay.
73, mabuhay, keep safe, and thank you for always supporting DX1 PearsNet, Tito Gani. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Alpha November India is now loud and clear. Delta Zulu 1 Charlie, please stand by, Tito Caster. For Golf 1 Echo Hotel November, Tito Ermi, indulgence, gentlemen, medyo malayo to si Tito Ermi sa akin, pull out ko muna. Okay, for Golf 1 Echo Hotel November, Tito Ermi, good evening, welcome to DX1 PearsNet. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Eme. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. For Golf 1 Echo Hotel November is now lock and clear. Next station, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Kuyang June. Good evening, one of the net control stations of the group. Welcome to our GustoNet.
Copy likewise for G1 Papa Uniform Romeo, magandang gabi. Fellow hams, magandang gabi. Sa net control station ng TDU, digital net ng 5151, Delta Zulu 1 Delta, Don, magandang gabi. Sa supporting our GustoNet, 73, God bless, from Calamba City, mabuhay.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito June. Thank you for always supporting our GustoNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot is now lock and clear. For Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo, QSL. Yung nag-transmit po is that for Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo. Ini-relay, go ahead po, medyo nawawala po, pakibalik. Sige, pakibalik na lang po mamaya. Let's continue calling the station of DV1 Delta Lima X-Ray. Doc Nilo, good. One of the net control station of DX1 Alpha Romeo Tango. Good evening, welcome to DX1 Persnet.
Good evening, Kuya Ruth Boy. Good evening, everyone. DV1 DLX checking in and supporting tonight's evening net call of DX1 PRS. 73 sa lahat.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay. Doc Nelo, thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. DV1 Delta Lima X-Ray is now lock and clear. Okay, copy. Sorry. Two distance stations for Johan Papa Uniform Victor and for Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Delta. Indulgence, gentlemen. Unahin ko muna si Johan Papa Uniform Victor Tito Bolter ng Cuenca, Batangas. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet. Keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Volter. Thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. 4-1 Papa Uniform Victor is now lock and clear. Next station, 4-1 Bravo Zulu Delta. Tito Arnel, good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet. Keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Arnel. Thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. 4-1 Bravo Zulu Delta is now lock and clear. Next station, Delta Zulu 1 Delta. Tito Don, pasensya na po. Good evening, welcome to DX1 Persnet.
Magandang gabi, Ruth Boy. Sa lahat, magandang gabi. Checking in, no traffic, 73, over.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Don. Thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. Delta Zulu 1 Delta is now lock and clear. Next station, Delta Zulu 1 Charlie. Tito Caster, good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet.
Ruth Boy.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Caster. Thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Zulu 1 Charlie is now lock and clear. Pakibalik po, medyo nagkasabay, hindi maliwanag ka. Okay, from the group, our President, DV1, Uniform Lima Mike, Press Francis, good evening on Portable Mobile. Welcome to our BoothNet. Tapos na ba po, Vice Press Francis, DB1 ULM? Medyo nawala ka, Press. Anyway, I acknowledge your station, 72. Thank you, and mabuhay, Press. Thank you for supporting our GroupsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1, Uniform Lima. Mike is now loud and clear. Ingat-ingat dyan. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
DY1 QBR.
Pakibalik po, Delta Yankee 1, Quebec.
Delta Yankee 1 Quebec Bravo Romeo.
Delta Yankee 1, Quebec, Bravo, Romeo, QSL.
QSL.
Delta Yankee 1, Quebec, Bravo, Romeo. Tito, good evening. Welcome to X1 PersNet. Please advise your name and location. This is for Golf 1, Papa Uniform, Romeo. Go ahead.
For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, DY1 QBR. Checking in, no traffic, handle is Russell, location is Calamba City, Laguna. From the X1 Lima Alpha. Good evening po.
Okay, copy that. Tito Russell, Delta Yankee 1, Queen Bravo Romeo, from the group X1 Lima Alpha. Tito Russell, yung location natin?
Calamba City, Laguna. Go ahead.
Okay, copy that, Calamba City, Laguna. 72, thank you for supporting the X1 PersNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Queen Bravo Romeo, is now loud and clear.
DW3 Romeo, Queen Golf, Stroke 1.
DW3 Romeo, Quebec, Golf Stroke 1, Tito Ruel, please stand by. Any more stations? Pakibalik po, yung may R. Delta, yun, Alpha X-ray, QSL. Copy that, for Golf 1, Alpha X-ray, please stand by. Any more stations? For Golf 1, Alpha Quebec Victor. Copy additional station, DB1 Radio Alpha, and for Golf 1 Alpha Quebec Victor. Any more station? Please stand by. Okay, calling the station of the Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1. Tito Ruel, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PersNet.
Likewise, Road Boy, magandang gabi. DW3RQG, just support on the net 73, mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Ruel. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo, Quebec, Golf Stroke 1 is now logged and clear.
1 Foxtrot Lima, November for the net.
5 November, pakibalik po.
Okay, sir, this is 1 Foxtrot Lima, November with the handle of Falcon. Go ahead.
5, dahan-dahan lang po. Medyo napuputol yung transmit. Pakibalik po.
Foxtrot Lima, November with the handle of Falcon.
Foxtrot 5 November. Ang prefix natin, Tito, pakibalik. Prefix.
Foxtrot Lima, November. Go ahead.
Okay, Foxtrot 5 November, Tito Falcon. From anong location po?
Location is Binyan, Laguna, to be exact, Barangay Loma. Yeah, supporting the net lang po, napadrop by. Yun lang, no further traffic lang po, sir, at 73.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Foxtrot 5 November, Tito Falcon from Binyan, Laguna, 73. Your station is now logged and clear. Next station, for Golf 1 Alpha X-Ray. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PearsNet. Tito, please advise your name and location and the club if any. Tatlo, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay, Tito Warren ng Marikina from the group Clark Friendship. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 Perez. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan for Golf 1 Alpha X-Ray. X-Ray ay nakatala na po at libre na. Next station, DB1 Radio Alpha, Tito Raul. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PearsNet. 73, mabuhay, keep safe, Tito Raul. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1 Radio Alpha, is now logged and clear. Next station for Golf 1 Alpha, Quebec, Victor, Tito Amang, the chairman of the board of DX1 Alpha, Romeo Tango. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PearsNet.
Magandang gabi, DX1 PRS at sa iyo, Tito Rutboy. Maraming salamat. Yan lang po, nagpapatala from DX1 ERD. Magandang gabi po, 73. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Amang. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PearsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Alpha, Quebec, Victor is now logged and clear. For India 1 Alpha Golf Foxtrot, Tito Jam, please stand by. Yung nakasabay po, pakibalik. Okay, Delta Yankee Juliet Kilo Oscar, please stand by. Yung isa pa po, pakibalik. Yung Delta Yankee 1 Portable, pakibalik po ulit, one more time. Medyo scratchy. May nakarinig bang mas maliwanag? Pakirili po. Delta Yankee 1. One more time yung portable. Okay, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo, Tito Mar on portable. Indulgence, gentlemen, pick upin ko man ang portable. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo, Tito Mar, good evening, welcome to DX1 PearsNet. Keep safe and mabuhay,
Tito Mark, thank you for always supporting the X1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo, is now loud and clear.
DY155 Papa.
DY155 Papa, Lolo Pedro, please stand by. Next station, 4NJ1 Alpha Golf Foxtrot, Tito Jam, board member of the X1 Alpha Romeo Tango, and congratulations for the set of new officers for this year. Good evening, welcome to the X1 Persnet. Keep safe and mabuhay Tito Jam. Thank you for always supporting the X1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1 Alpha Golf Foxtrot is now loud and clear. Next station, Delta Yankee 1 Juliet Kilo Oscar Tito Jaco. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 Persnet. Ganon din po, naway pagpalain po kayo ng buong may kapal, 73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Tito Jaco, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 Perez. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong himpilan. Delta Yankee 1, Juliet Kilo Oscar ay nakatala na po at libre na. Next station, Delta Yankee 1, 55 Papa, Lolo Pedro, magandang gabi. Alina sa ugnayan ng DX1 Persnet.
Magandang gabi po, gaya ng dati, sumusuporta sa inyong gabi-gabing lambatan. Lolo Pedro, checking in our traffic, mabuhay PRS.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Lolo Pedro, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo may bukas ang inyong himpilan. Delta Yankee 1, 55 Papa ay nakatala na po at libre na. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra, Tito Fred, please stand by. Yung may 4 Golf 1 po, pakibalik. Yung may 4 Golf 1, pakibalik. Okay, anyway, 4 Del 1 Delta Bravo Sierra, Tito Fred from the group. Good evening, welcome to our GroupsNet. Keep safe and mabuhay Tito Fred. Thank you for always supporting the X1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Fortel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra is now loud and clear.
Fortel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, Fortel
1 Yankee Mike Oscar, Tito Gilbert, good evening. Welcome to the X1 Persnet.
Likewise, Tito Beye, Tito Cesar, Tito Nelson, magandang gabi sa inyo, magandang gabi sa Perez, Fortel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar po, nagpapatala, wala pong gano'ng mensahe. Maraming salamat po, good morning for tomorrow, and mabuhay 73, keep safe and God bless. Good evening.
Likewise, God bless, 73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Gilbert, thank you for always supporting the X1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Fortel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar is now loud and clear.
For India 1, Levi Started Backstrand.
Copy the station of 401 Lima Charlie Foxtrot. Tito Don, go ahead. Welcome to the X1 Persnet.
Good evening, Tito
Boy. Good evening, Jake Gutierrez. For India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot, joining and supporting the net with no other traffic. Maraming salamat, 73. Always supporting Dex 1 FairsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot is now loud and clear. Yung naapakan ko po, pakisabay. Pakibalik po. Sorry.
Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, portable QRP for the net.
Okay, Portal 1, Yankee Quebec Delta on portable. Jason, good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 FairsNet.
Po, Tito Ruth Boy, gandang gabi po. Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, your supporting evening net. 73 from the group DX1 IBN. Mabuhay po ang DX1 PRS net. Tito Ruth Boy, kayo po ba yan? Na-upload ko sa YouTube yung kanyo po. Narinig ko po ako doon. Sige po, 73, mabuhay.
Thank you, Jason. Yes, si Ruth Boy to 4G1PUR. At thank you for always supporting DX1 FairsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, is now loud and clear.
Permission to relay.
Go ahead, Tito Nelson.
Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot.
Copy.
Delta Whiskey 8, Whiskey Alpha Hotel.
Copy that.
Delta Whiskey 9, India Hotel Foxtrot. May mga record ka na yan?
Ayun, yung ang isa, yung Delta, ano yan, wala pa ata ako niyan. Pakibalik yung pangatlo.
Delta Whiskey 9, India Hotel Foxtrot with the handle of Judy from Davao de Oro. From the group DX9 UAI, Argent Armac Incorporated.
Okay, copy that.
Mamaya uli.
Maraming salamat, Tito Nelson, for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie uniform for that relay. Acknowledge the station of 3 stations from who check in via Facebook Live. Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, Tito Juni ng Sambuanga from the group Spark 8 Incorporated, Delta Whiskey 8, Whiskey Alpha Hotel, Tito Roger ng Kidapawan, and Delta Whiskey 9, India Hotel Foxtrot, Tito Jody ng Davao de Oro from the group DX9 UEI. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 Perez. Hope to catch you tomorrow. Your 3 stations are now loud and clear. 73.
4G1 LAD board on it.
4G1 LAD, Tito Mar, go ahead. Welcome to DX1 FairsNet.
Good evening, Tito Rotboy. Good evening to all. 4G1 LAD supporting the net. No traffic 73. Mabuhay ang DX1 Perez.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Mar. Thank you for always supporting DX1 FairsNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 LAD is now loud and clear.
Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey.
Fire the station of Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey. Tito John, please stand by. Yun, nakasabay po. Pakibalik. Delta, for Golf 1, Delta, pakibalik po yung suffix. Delta Yankee Papa.
DV1 Oscar Mike Victor.
Saglit lang po, medyo nagkuhan. Okay, copy. 4 Hotel 1 Delta Sierra Papa. Please stand by. Yung nakasabay po, pakibalik ulit.
DU1 Oscar Mike Victor.
DB1 Oscar Mike Victor Tito Rolly, please stand by. Okay, calling the station of 4 Hotel 1 Delta Sierra Papa from Sariaya, Quezon. Kadani, good evening. Welcome to Dix 1 Persnet. #73, keep safe and mabuhay, Kadani. You're coming in 5 by 2 in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you for supporting Dex 1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Delta Sierra Papa is now logged and clear. Next station, DB1 Oscar Mike Victor Tito Rolly. Good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 Persnet.
For Group 1, Papa Uniform Radio, DB1 Oscar Mike Victor checking in to DX1 PRS Net. No traffic, 73, and mabuhay. Have a nice evening, Root Boy.
Likewise, 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Rolly. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1 Oscar Mike Victor is now logged and clear.
DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee.
DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee, Tito Richie, good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 Persnet.
Good evening, all Root Boy. Good evening, all around. Stay safe. And 73 from DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee.
73, stay safe and mabuhay, Tito Richie. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee is now logged and clear.
4I1 AGJ Mobile.
Okay, 4 India 1, AGG, from the group, Edsel, on Mobile. Good evening, welcome to our GroupNet location.
Hey, good evening, Road Boy, and good evening, all station. 4I1 AGJ Mobile dito sa Slex, traveling southbound. Just checking in and supporting the net at 73. Yes, dyan, Road Boy.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Edsel, on mobile southbound sa SLEX. Thank you for supporting our GroupNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, 4 India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet is now logged and clear.
DW1 November Oscar Lima.
DW1 November Oscar Lima, and together with Portal 1 X-Ray Charlie Foxtrot, Tito Noli, Tito Louie, at Tita Cecil. Good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 Persnet.
Magandang gabi, Kuya Root Boy. Magandang gabi sa lahat. DW1 Alan Mobile. Location ko, andito ako ngayon sa may Caltech Waltermat. Naka-duty. Checking supporting ka na 73 ang mabuhay. Salamat po. Nakasama na rin si Ate Cecil. Naka-busy ko sa bahay kaya hindi makapag-radio.
Saan ka ba dyan ngayon, Tito Louie? Sa may Caltech, sa malapit sa Jollibee?
Yes, sir. Dito muna at mamaya pauwi na rin mga namin.
Sige, one time magkita tayo dyan at lagi ako dyan sa Walter Mart. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Louie. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your two stations, Delta Whiskey 1 November Oscar Lima and Fortel 1 X-Ray Charlie Foxtrot, are now logged and clear. Ingat dyan. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join Dex 1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Root Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. 4G1 Mike Victor Lima from the group. Adrian, good evening. Welcome to our GroupNet.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay Adrian. Thank you for always supporting our GolfNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. For Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima is now log and clear. 5x5, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
Permission.
Go ahead, Dati Nelson.
Mike, Bravo, Mike. May record ka na nito. Ilang binigay niya? Batangas.
Mike Bravo, Mike, anong prefix niya kaya?
Yun lang iniwan niya eh. Mukhang mayroon ka na record dito. Taga Batangas.
Okay, sige, i-check ko kasi kung Batangas yan, dapat ano siya, ay, District 1 pa rin siya, di ba?
Menandro Magsino. Lemery, Batangas. Meron pa?
Sige. Okay, copy that. Mike Bravo, Mike. Tapos ang kasunod.
For Golf 1, Alpha, Uniform Delta, Andel, Mart, Pasay City.
Copy that, may record na tayo.
For Hotel 1, Lima, Mike Papa, Pangasinan, Handel Lim.
Yung handle niya ay Lee or
Lima, India, Mike, Lim.
Lima, India, Mike, Lim. From, ano yan, Batangas?
Pangasinan.
Ayun, Hotel 1, Lima, Mike, Papa, Lim from Pangasinan. Any more?
DU8, Hotel Victor Romeo with the handle of Rene, North Cotabato.
DU8, Hotel Victor Romeo, QSL.
USL, Tito.
And then the handle at saka location.
Handle is Rene, North Cotabato.
Okay, copy.
For Golf 1, Bravo, Juliet Oscar, Joel, Diliman, Quezon City.
Copy.
Maya na lang ulit ito.
Okay, acknowledge the stations who check in at FB Live, starting with Mike, Victor Mike, for Golf 1 Alpha Uniform Delta, for Hotel 1 Lima, Mike Papa, Tito Lim, and DU8 Hotel Victor Romeo, Tito Rene, and for Golf 1 Bravo Juliet Oscar, Tito Joel. Your stations are now log and clear.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike. Tito Romano, go ahead. Welcome to Dex1 Persnet.
Magandang gabi, Tito Rootboy. Magandang gabi sa lahat na nakantabay. Nagpapatala lang sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala naman yung mga mensahe. 73.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. At Tito Romano, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng Dex1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong himpilan. Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike ay nakatala na po at libre na. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join Dex1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by. For Hotel 1 Echo, pakibalik po.
Yung one more time, yung 4 Hotel 1 Echo, question mark, question mark. Keep safe and mabuhay Tito Ricardo. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Echo India Tango is now loud and clear.
For I1 Mike Victor India.
For I1 Mike Victor India, father and daughter station Juliana and Robert. Good evening. Welcome to our GooseNet.
Hi, Tito Root Boy.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening to all stations. For G1 PUR for the X1 PRSnet for I1 Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana.
Checking in, supporting our group's net. No further traffic, 73.
Ilang years na siya, Robert? Malapit na atang kunan ng yan, ng operator license, ha?
Mga Tito, mga 3 years pa po.
Ayun, medyo, gumaganda na yung niya, yung modulation niya. Okay, 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Juliana and Robert. Thank you for always supporting our GooseNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Mike Victor India, is now loud and clear. DV1 Yankee November Juliet, Tito Larry, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 PRSnet. #73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Larry. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1 Yankee November Juliet, is now loud and clear.
4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango.
4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango, Tito Chuck, one of the net control stations of DX1 Charlie Whiskey. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Good evening, Ruth Boyd, 4 Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. Just checking in for your net, 73, and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Chuck. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango is now loud and clear. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
For Hotel 1 Victor Uniform.
For Hotel 1 Victor Uniform. Tito Boro, you good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Okay, magandang gabi, Tito Rotboy. For Hotel 1, Victor, Uniform. Supporting the net and no other topic, 73, mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Boro. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Victor, Uniform is now loud and clear.
DV1 Whiskey, Mexico.
DV1 Kilo Whiskey, Mexico from the group. Our Vice President, Vice Alaric, good evening. Welcome to our GooseNet.
Good evening, Roy. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Just supporting our net call with no traffic. 73 at mabuhay. See you.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Vice Alaric. Thank you for always supporting our GooseNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1 Kilo Whiskey, Mexico, is now loud and clear.
For G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
For G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, from the group, our Corporate Secretary, Tita Moore, good evening. Welcome to our GooseNet.
Good evening, Root Boy, and good evening to all stations and monitor. This is for G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, checking and supporting our group net. Number traffic 73 and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tita Amor. Thank you for always supporting our groups net. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot is now loud and clear.
Permission to relay.
Go ahead, Tito Nelson.
Delta Whiskey 1, X-Ray Romeo Hotel.
Copy.
Delta Whiskey 7, Romeo Delta Bravo. Delta Whiskey 8, Whiskey Alpha Hotel.
Tito Nelson, pakibalik yung Delta Whiskey 7, Romeo Delta Bravo.
Delta Whiskey 7, Romeo Delta Bravo with the handle of Rodin, Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental.
Okay, copy. And then yung DW8 Whiskey Alpha Hotel, si Tito Roger. After that, mayroon.
Wala pa dito, sige na. Dito lang monitor.
Thank you for the relay for Telwan Lima Charlie Uniform for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. Okay, acknowledge the 3 stations check-in via FB Live, Facebook Live, X-Ray Delta Whiskey 1, X-Ray Romeo Hotel, ka Jomer ng Cainta Rizal, Delta Whiskey 7, Romeo Delta Bravo, Tito Rodi ng Dumaguete City, and Delta Whiskey 8, Whiskey Alpha Hotel, Tito Roger ng Kidapawan. All 3 stations are now logged and clear. 73. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo.
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo from the group, our corporate auditor, Tito Dan. Good evening. Welcome to our group set.
Yeah, magandang gabi, Root Boy. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng istasyon na kantabay. Papatala sa gabing lambatan ng ating grupo at wala na pong ibang mensahe sorry, kundi ang iba yung pag-iingat pa rin. 73 at magandang gabi po ulit.
Maraming salamat sa pagpapaalala sa Tito Dan at pag-ibayan natin ang ating pag-iingat. 73 manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ating ugnayan. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo ay nakatala na po at libre na. Siginet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by. Siginet, any more station who would like to join the X1 PRSnet? Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
ABC.
Pakibilik po, for E1.
41 ABC.
ABC.
Oy, for Eco1 ABC, ito na lang nangyayari sa, mo, transmit mo. Together with Fortel 1 Eco, Charlie Bravo, Tito Nanette, good evening, welcome to our GhostNet.
Roger, likewise, good evening, good evening, good evening, DX1, Patrick, supporting David, together with Fortel 1, Echo Charlie Bravo. God bless,
D1 XDD.
D1 XDD, please stand by, Tito Del. Acknowledge the station of Tito Al and Tita Nanette. Thank you. 73, keep safe and God bless likewise. And thank you for always supporting our GroupNet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your two stations for Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie and for Tel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo are now logged and clear. Ayun, gumanda na yung ano mo, transmit mo. Next station, DU1 X-Ray Delta Delta Tito Del. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Good evening, Tito Road Boy. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, the X1 PRS. And I'm supporting the evening net with no further traffic. For G1 PUR or the X1 PRS, D1 XDD.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Del. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 X-Ray Delta Delta is now loud and clear. For Tel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, mayroon pa ba dyan Tito Nelson?
For Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, for Tel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, sa ngayon wala pa. At pagpatuloy mo na lang tita at baka, ay, alas 9 na pala.
QSL, okay, noted. Last call for any station who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by. Okay, nothing heard. We would like to thank the 63 stations who check in for tonight. But before we close the net, let's do have some recap on the following stations who check in for tonight. Starting with DU1 Victor Lima Zulu, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima, Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Charlie, for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. DU1 Sugar Mike Quebec, DU1 November Tango Zulu, DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, for Golf 1 Alpha November India, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot. DV1 Delta Lima X-Ray Delta Zulu 1 Delta Delta Zulu 1 Charlie, for Golf 1 Echo Hotel November, for India 1 Papa Uniform Victor. For Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Delta, DV1 Uniform Lima Mike,
Delta Yankee 1, Quebec Bravo Romeo, Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo Quebec Golf Stroke 1, for Golf 1, Alpha X-Ray X-Ray. DV1 Radio Alpha, for Golf 1, Alpha Quebec Victor, Fox Lima November, for India 1, Alpha Golf Foxtrot, Delta Yankee 1, Juliet Kilo Oscar. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo, Delta Yankee 1, Lima Lima Papa, Hotel 1, Delta Bravo Sierra, Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar, for India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot. Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, Delta Whiskey 8, Whiskey Alpha Hotel, for DW9, India Hotel Foxtrot. 4G1 LAD, Hotel 1, Delta Sierra Papa, DV1 Oscar Mike Victor, DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee, for India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet, DW1 November Oscar Lima, for Hotel 1 X-Ray Charlie Foxtrot. For Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima, Mike Victor Mike, for Golf 1 Alpha Uniform Delta, Hotel 1 Lima Mike Papa, DU8 Hotel Victor Romeo, for Golf 1 Bravo Juliet Oscar. Delta Yankee 1 Romeo Oscar Mike, for Hotel 1 Echo India Tango, for India 1 Mike Victor India, DV1 Yankee November Juliet. For Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango, Hotel 1 Victor Uniform DV1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico, 4G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, DW1 X-Ray Romeo Hotel. DW7 Romeo Delta Bravo, DW8 Whiskey Alpha Hotel, for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo Alpha 4 Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie, for Hotel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo, and DU1 X-Ray Delta Delta. Any more station for late check for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo listening?
Tito Rotboy, si Paul Golf 1, Delta Quebec Juliet, Doc Ina. Nag-check-in dito sa akin.
Okay, copy and acknowledge the station of 4 Golf 1 Delta Quebec Juliet, Doc Ina from the group. Your station is now loud and clear.
For Hotel 1, Bravo Soloito, magandang gabi, Tito Rotboy.
For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Echo Cameloy, good evening, welcome to Dex1 Perisnet.
Right, Sir Rotboy, good evening to all station. For Hotel 1, Bravo Soloito. Unit supporting the net, no traffic, 73, nahuli, nagpapanag, pulong.
73, keep safe and mabuhay ka, Meloy. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1, Bravo Zulu Echo, is now loud and clear.
DU3 Foxtrot Sierra, check.
DU3 Foxtrot Sierra, Tito Sander, good evening. One of the net control stations of DX3 Latitude. Welcome to Dex1 Persnet.
Ayan ang hapon pa. Good evening, Rotboy and all sa lahat. Good evening. This is DU3 Foxtrot Sierra from the group DX3 Latitude from Tamara, Bulacan. Just transporting your evening at call 73 and mabuhay. God bless.
Likewise, God bless, 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Sander. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. Hope to catch you again tomorrow, your station. The U3 Foxtrot Sierra is now loud and clear. Any more station for late check? Okay, nothing heard, so we would like to thank all the stations who supported this evening net call. And we hope to catch you again for the next edition of the Evening at same time, 8 o'clock, same frequency, 145.340 megahertz. But before that, I would like to thank the effort of Fort L1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Tito Nelson, for all those relays from the Facebook Live. And thank you, 73. So the net now is closed, frequency 145.340 megahertz, now back to its normal operation. On behalf of the X1 PRS, this is for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy saying thank you very much and good evening. Mag-ingat lagi, ilagak ang pag-asa sa biyayang darating. Sa dakilang ama po ang kapurihan.